How to enable secure boot on your computer. Open Settings. Click on Update and Security. Click on Recovery. Under the Advanced Startup section, click the Restart Now button. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click the UEFI Firmware Settings option. Click the Restart button. Click the Advanced Security or Boot Settings page depending on the motherboard. Select the Secure Boot option and choose the Enabled option. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, like, share and subscribe our channel.